This is how to play Lokile by Tshepo Tshola. The original key of the song is the key of C, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys using the key of C, which is the original key, and then I'll break it down after using the key of C sharp. Okay, so on the key of C it says quite easy. So you're gonna play the same chord progression on the first part and also on the second part. Okay, remember the second part says see that is the same chord progression. So let's break it down on the key of C sharp. Okay, so our song starts right on this chord. This is C sharp major second inversion, also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, from this chord it goes to this chord, which is the D sharp minor chord, and it's also an inversion. It is also known as our number 2 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, it's 1, 2, and then from this chord it goes to this chord, which is C sharp major chord. It's our root chord, C sharp major root. Okay, also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, this is what the song says. Alright, then from here you go back to your second chord. You come here, how? Okay, from here you go back to 1, 2, 1, and then you go to 5, and then back to 1. I'm gonna repeat it again. It's back to 2, and then you right there on the same chord, you're gonna say and then 2, 1, 5, 6. And then from 6 you go to 2, from 2 to 4, from 4 you go to 5, and then 1. Okay, if you want to get more clarity on the inversions and the numbering, you can just join our private community. Send me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up here. Just send me a WhatsApp to get more details. The price is 1,500. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again. Let me do it slow. Okay, so you're gonna introduce the bass. When you hit your first chord on the left, you go to 1, and 2, and then 3. This right here is a slash chord, is 1/3, okay? But we won't be going deep into that. And then from here, you go to 2, 1, 5, 1, and then 1, 7, 6, and then 4, 5, and then 1. Right here on your number 4, you can say okay, you can play 2, 1, 2, and then 4, 5, 1. Okay, so there's one chord here that we're going to change to make it sound even more nice. So it's our number 5. So instead of playing number 5, okay, instead of playing number 5, we're going to play an F major 7th. Okay, F major 7th is this chord. Okay, we're going to replace this chord with this one. Okay, and then when you play F major 7th, on the left you can play F. Okay, or you can play A. Yeah, you can play F or A. Okay, so I'm gonna start again from the beginning, but instead of playing 5 here, I'm going to play F major 7. Okay, let's go. And then here, it sounds nice, right? Okay, it's quite simple. So if you want to play around with it, you can play around with it, but make sure that you stay within the melody of the song. Don't add too much passing chords because you're gonna ruin the song. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Until we meet again, God bless you.